your clothes finish washing, okay, you see it's not washing anymore. It has stopped, right? It has stopped now because there's no double light on anymore. So switch it off from the wall there, and then it's going to be very easy to open it. Okay, see, just one time. So put your clothes in the basket now. Remove them out of it. Yeah, that's good. Right down. Is there any more? You can spin the washing machine. See if there's any more. Okay, that's good. So take it out. All right. So this one you are going to use to spread your clothes. Yeah. So doing that, I'm going to teach you. In fact, you must have known how to open it, guys. There's no tumble dryer yet, so we use this one to dry our clothes. Put it up. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So now, before you start spreading your clothes, as you raise it up like that, you do the, how do you say that in English? I don't know how to say that in English with that one she's doing. So now you spread them. See? Yes, so teach your kids how to live. It doesn't matter. It doesn't have to be only the girl. Both men and women. Teach them how to do stuff by themselves. If you don't teach them, you yourself, you're not going to be free. So that's the importance of teaching your children how to do things by themselves. Start early. As I said before, when you start early, that's where you get them. You get them early. So you get them to learn. Okay. So at least when you are not home, even if you traveled, they know that their clothes are dirty and then they wash them by themselves. They know how to cook. When they are hungry, they know what they want. By choice, they can go to the market and buy what they want to cook. That's one remaining now. So she knows how to buy her stuff from shopping. But shopping for the house, she has not done it. So soon we are going to get to that, where she will go to the market and buy stuff. She already know how to shop in the supermarket, how to select cheap stuff. Yeah, not that cheap, at least not go and leave £3 stuff and go for £7. No. So as you're teaching her how to shop for cheap things, you're also teaching her how to save. That's the importance. If you want to go gushy, poshy, so that means when she grow up, she's going to be spending all her wages. So that's done now, finished, guys. So that's everything. Step 2, she's going to start washing other ones. Thank you, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Teach your children how to be a big boy or girl. Right? So now, next, you have your white clothes here. You still want to wash them, same process. Keep them all of it. So this time around, I'm going to leave you how to do it by yourself. Okay. So in there you go again. See that? So I'm not going to say anything now. I'm going to allow you to do everything from A to Z. I'm not going to say a word. Right? We go there. So today is my off day. I'm using it wisely. So do something. It's not all the time when you are off. You go to parties, you go visiting. Teach, educate your children. Okay, good girl. Yeah, that's good. That's good. There. So she's doing really good, really well. So what we are doing today, teaching. Oh, yeah. Good. So you see, she got everything right. Very clever like me. You see. So it's washing now. You see that? Done. She done it again. High five. Bash. Good girl.